In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bid strategy in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to switch your campaign's bidding to focus on getting more clicks. This is helpful when your priority is driving traffic to your site, testing new keywords, or gathering data before moving to a conversion-focused strategy. Start by opening your Google Ads account in your browser. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and click Campaign. This brings you into the campaign area. Next, click Campaigns again to view your full list of campaigns. This second click ensures you're on the overview where all your campaigns are visible, so you can easily find the one you want to adjust. Locate the specific campaign you want to edit. It helps to double-check the campaign name and status so you don't accidentally change the wrong one. When you've got the right campaign selected, look for the gear icon. This is the settings area for that campaign. Click the gear icon to open the campaign settings. Inside Settings, find the Bidding section. This is where Google Ads controls how it enters and adjusts bids on your behalf. Click Bidding to expand the options. Then click Change Bid Strategy. This is the key action that lets you move from your current approach to a new one. From the list of strategies, select Clicks. In most interfaces, this is labeled as Maximize Clicks, which tells Google Ads to automatically set bids to help you get as many clicks as possible within your budget. Choosing this is a good fit when you want to increase site visits and gather broader engagement data. Keep in mind, because the goal is volume, your average cost per click can vary, and traffic quality may be wider than with more targeted strategies. It's a good idea to watch your search terms and placements after the change, so you understand what kind of traffic you're attracting. Once you've selected clicks, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your bid strategy has been updated. The change takes effect at the campaign level, so it will influence all ads and keywords within that campaign. After saving, give the system a little time to adjust. Performance may shift as Google recalibrates bids under the new objective. To recap the flow, open your Google Ads account, click Campaign, click Campaigns again to view all campaigns, select the right campaign, click the gear icon to open settings, click Bidding, click Change Bid Strategy, choose Clicks, and click Save. That's all it takes to switch your campaign to a clicks-focused strategy with confidence.